Welcome. I wanted to inform us about the Jamb cutoff for different institutions in the federation. Recently, Jamb released the cutoff marks, and for universities, it is 160. So that is the minimum cutoff mark for university. If you want to get admission, you should score at least 160 for you to be eligible to get an admission into a university. Universities will now have their own specific cutoffs, like Uni Abuja might be having 180, so depending, but the minimum that any school can have as cutoff is 160 for university. Is very, very important, so take note of that. But that doesn't mean that if you have 160 you can get admission into schools like University of Abuja or those other schools. It might be difficult to get into some institutions because their own cutoff would be higher, but the general cutoff minimum is 160. So in case if you have 160 something or 170 and you go to some schools you're not able to get admission, that does not mean that they are cheating you or what. Simply means that you're not able to get the threshold for that specific university. But the minimum is 160, but some schools their own might just put 180, 200. So that is it for this cutoff for universities. If you want to learn and prepare for your post UTME or any exams in Nigeria, you can get to our website jamb.com. By this right hand side like this, you see all the courses that you need to learn: economics, English, geography. You can always click on them. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my videos. I'll be updating you with more videos for learning in Nigeria. So hit the subscribe button, click on the notification icon so that anytime I release any video you'll be the first to see them. Thank you.